Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something really exciting for you. An exclusive Hostinger coupon code that gives you a 15% discount. Most other codes online only give 7 to 10%, so this one really stands out. And the best part? It works for any plan and in any country. Here's how it works. Just check the description or the first comment for my link. Make sure you click the link because the code only works when you go through it. Right now, Hostinger is also offering a 75% discount and a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's really no risk at all. When you go to Hostinger, you'll see 3 plans. You can choose the one that fits your needs best. For this demo, I'm going with the business plan. Click Choose Plan, then enter the code BBSPECIAL. Watch as the price drops instantly. That's your 15% discount applied, saving you some real money. So if you've been thinking about getting hosting for your website or blog, now is the perfect time. Check the link in the description, apply the code, and grab this amazing deal today. Don't miss out.